Finding the courage to change. Obsessive thinking. It's easy to get lost in obsessive thinking. This is because the law of attraction always works. Law of attraction states that like attracts like. If I start to worry, then law of attraction will bring me more thoughts just like the ones I'm currently thinking. Soon I'm obsessed. I'm like a magnet attracting more and more thoughts of worry and upset. Once that train of thought has picked up a head of steam, it's difficult to change trains. It's got so much momentum going. When I realize that I've caught the wrong train, the train to negative town, what can I do? Like a speeding locomotive, my train of thought is hard to stop. Since thoughts have momentum, I can't change my thinking in an instant. There are two things I can do. One is like applying the brakes. The other is like throwing a switch to route the train in a new direction. To apply the brakes, I need to take action. I need to stop thinking about that thing that I'm thinking about. For me, physical action is the easiest way to do this. I take a walk, mow the lawn, or clean something. As I focus on my new task, the momentum of my train of thought will slow as I distract myself from the problem. To throw the switch, I start looking for more positive ways to think about the situation. I start generalizing. Things are always working out for me. Everything is going to be okay. I don't have to figure this out this red-hot minute. Law of attraction begins to work for me, bringing me more positive thoughts. Soon, I'm heading in a positive direction.